Feeling wired, stressed, or tired all the time? Nutrition Geeks. Ashwagandha KSM-66. Complex might be exactly what your body needs to reset and restore. Each capsule delivers 250 milligrams of premium KSM-66 extract, the gold standard of ashwagandha. Plus, it's enhanced with amino acids and vitamin B6 for better sleep, mood balance, and all-day calm. This vegan-friendly formula is non-drowsy, UK-made, and gives you a full 2-month supply. Whether you're managing daily stress or improving your sleep, it's designed for real results. Stay calm, sleep deeper, feel better, naturally. Try Nutrition Geeks Ashwagandha Complex today. Order now in Amazon. Also check out the other Nutrition Geeks product. Subscribe for more honest supplement reviews and wellness tips. Also check out the other Nutrition Geeks product. Like this video? Let us know in the comments how ashwagandha has helped you.